Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the comparison of our Fit O23 Plus smartwatch, comparing it with our Storm Ultra O23. On this video, we are going to compare the offered menus and features for both wearables. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearable when it comes to the offered features and menus, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and compare the offered menus and features of the iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch versus the iTel Storm Ultra O23. Okay, so we have here the wearable again. We have here the UI, the bottom part. Okay, this one, notifications. On the side, we have the split screen. On the side, we have the settings and options here. Okay, there's no right side here for our O23 Plus, while for the iTel O23, we do have the widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button. The side button here is for sports. Okay. Let's check out the offered menus and features here. We have daily activity monitoring. We have the heart rate here. We'll check the workout later. We have the sleep monitoring. We have the heart rate. Then we have the Bluetooth phone call. Let's see, where's our Bluetooth here? This is our Bluetooth call. Okay. We also have here the blood oxygen monitoring. As you can see, we do have a one-tap measurement here. For the O23 Plus, we don't have it here. We have a breathing guide. No, we don't have a breathing guide. But we do have a stress here. Okay. We have here a message notification. We have a message notification. Let's see, it's not available here on the O23 Plus. It's not available here on the main menu. But instead, you have to swipe to check. Okay, we have it here on the main menu for the O23. What else do we have here? Weather report. Camera control, we also have it here. Okay. Then the music control. AI voice. Both do have a support. We have the timer. Let's check. What's the difference? Okay. Alarm. Stopwatch. We have a calculator. Do we have a flashlight here? Yes, we have here. An e-card, drain in game. I think we do have a game here. Okay. So I think that's just the same number of games. Then for the sports functions, let's check. We have walking, running. Remember, we do have a 100 sports functions here for our iTel Storm Ultra. Okay. The same with our Fit O23 Plus. It's also comprehensive. We do have a lot of categories. Okay. We don't have a swimming sports here. If you notice, we do have a water sports here for the O23. Okay, Storm Ultra, we don't have it here on our iTel O23 Plus. Let's see if we do have it here on the outdoor sports. Okay, no, we don't have it here. Competitive. Okay, so we don't have swimming. Recreational. Okay, none. We don't have it here. Okay. Alright, so let's check it again. Let's go with the settings here. Settings. So these are the settings. Passcode, password, drain. We also have a drain here. About version, firmware, ISWO23, ISWO23 Plus. Okay, we have here the QR code. We have the passcode, phone, and that's it. Okay. Again, if you have any questions regarding the difference between the two, drop a comment below. And if you want to know more about the O23 Plus, especially on the message notifications, watch our video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.